Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is going to be a ultimate deep clean and organized with me. I will be organizing my fridge and also my pantry. I have videos on this and I will link them down below so you can check out the first one, but it was time to update everything.
Give you one more try.
So I do not overwhelm myself. I will be doing everything in sections. Starting off with my fridge, I am emptying everything out and cleaning it with soap and water.
That's leading away from me, baby.
Since I did my first organization video of my fridge, I have gotten so much love on that video and I am thankful for it all. I also got tons of suggestions and ideas of what I can do, so I am going to take all of that advice and try to fit that in with everything that works for my family. So I hope you guys enjoyed this updated organization.
Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Now it's time to tackle the bottom, and as you can see, it was very messy and unorganized. So make sure you stay tuned so you can see that satisfying finish.
The way I help you, why don't you help me? The way I help you, don't have to save me, just be my parachute, yeah. Just be my parachute. Oh, why don't you help me? You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places.
If you are new here, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My name is Tamarika. I'm a wife and mother of 3 boys, and on my channel you will find cleaning, organization, home decor, DIYs, and a little behind the scenes of some mom life. If this is something that you would enjoy, please consider hitting that subscribe button and comment below so we can chat.
Would be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your
Now that I'm done cleaning out my fridge, it's time to clean all of the bins that I will be using in my fridge. I used them in my first video and I got them from Burlington, Ross, Marshalls, and Burke's Outlet. I'm sorry I cannot link those down below because some of these places do not have a website and Marshalls do not have them online.
Summer love, you and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up. All for you, baby, keep trying. But the city's getting...
So before I started organizing my fridge, I placed my bins in there just to see where I want them to go. They do not always stay this way, so you will see me rearranging them, but the bottom of my fridge is for drinks. And I know I got a lot of comments in my last video saying that I put too many in there, but these are sparkling waters and we go through these super fast. Me and my husband love them. The boys, not so much, but I wanted the bottom of the fridge to be easy for me and my husband to just go in and grab something. We do not have a drink fridge and I do not plan on buying one. We are moving pretty soon, so I may purchase one for the new house.
Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get... I've been walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade in. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 'Cause I'm still in love. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't, 'cause I'm still...
Now it's time to move on to my pantry. It wasn't as bad as my fridge because I seem to stay on top of the pantry organization more than the fridge, but I'm starting out by emptying everything out and I'm going to clean it. My flour that you see me moving, it was in a glass container, but one of my little ones broke it, so now I am on the search for another one.
when I'm thinking about us before we got lost and we parted. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not.
The new thing that I have added to my pantry will be these risers, and I purchased them from Dollar Tree. One of my subscribers suggested that I purchase these to give me more space in my pantry.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you?
Now that all of the organization is out of the way, it is time to get into deep cleaning my kitchen. I will eliminate all of these boxes on the floor, and then I will start to wipe down all of my cabinets.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
If you have made it this far in the video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you've enjoyed the video so far, please consider hitting that subscribe button and comment below to introduce yourself.
If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. You would do anything that I want to keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything.
Now it's time to tackle these dishes. This is something that I dislike doing when I clean, so I barely hand wash my dishes and I stuff my dishwasher to capacity. I know I'm not the only one, so let me know down below, do you like to hand wash your dishes or stuff them all in the dishwasher?
I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
You know, this wouldn't be a video if Carter wasn't coming to help me mop or sweep.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation and also some inspiration to organize your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt.